Hello, dear friends. How are you? I hope you all will be fine and doing well. My name is Azhar Mahmood, and you are watching my channel Azhar TV. So, dear friends, in today's video, I am going to tell you about how you can find an original client on Upwork. If you are a beginner and you are new to freelancing, or you are new on Upwork or any online platform, so how you will judge that the client I am going to deal with is real and organic, means he is not a scammer? So how you can avoid scammers and how you can find an original client for yourself? So dear friends, if you are new to our channel and you haven't subscribed our channel, so I am not going to tell you that please first of all you need to subscribe my channel. If you like the video till if you watch the video till end and you liked it, so you must need to subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, because whenever we will upload a new video you will get a notification, so you will come to know that we have uploaded an informative and useful video for you people. So dear friends, let's move to our topic, that how you can find an original client on Upwork. On Upwork, there is a bidding system. A client post his post. For example, he is asking for a graphic designer, so he post his job and he required that I am a company manager and I need designs and banner designs for my company, and daily I need some designs, or weekly or monthly. So he said it's in Upwork there is hourly job and fixed job, so he will pay you fixed or hourly. So according to this, and this is the payment system of Upwork. Later on I will discuss about this, that what is fixed price and what is hourly jobs on Upwork. So first my topic is how you can find an original and real client. So whenever he posts a job, you will go there and you will do a bid. You will write a proposal to the client. You will write that I am Azhar Mahmood, I am a graphic designer, I have done many jobs for many companies. You can also show your portfolio, means what work you have done in past for different companies. So you can also do that for the show them in the proposal, so your proposal will be very really attractive and they will try to hire you. So when you will perform proposal, so before submitting your proposal, you first need to go to the client profile, right? When you visit to the client profile, there you will watch that how many job he had hired and how many job he has posted, right? So there is different scenarios, like he has posted 40 jobs and he hired 18 peoples, and he spent nearly 4k or 20 dollars. But the main thing here you must need to note is that when he joined Upwork, the joining date is really very important, because when you will check that he means this is the November month and he just joined before 1 week, so I am not going to trust him, because he don't have any real profile. He must need to spend time on Upwork, then he must need to show some spending, that how much he spent. So according to this I can specify that yes, also the feedback he had that the clients mean the freelancer gave him, it's also really a good point. You must need to check the feedbacks. Three things you must need to check, 4-5 things, but I am going to mention you only 3 things. When he joined, right? If he is an old buyer, mean client, so you don't be hesitate to submit proposal to his work. The second thing, how much spending he had done. The third thing is how many jobs he posted and how many he hired and how many active jobs he have right now. So these are the main things you must need to keep in your mind. So like this you will get a real client on Upwork and you can be safe from this scamming, because in online markets I will tell you clearly that they maximum listens to the buyer and they don't listen too much to the sellers. We are the seller because we are freelancer and they care about the buyer so much. So you must need to be careful here. In starting you may face so much difficulties, but later on you will be very familiar with it and you will know how to find a job and how you submit proposal and how to identify a client real profile. So dear friends, I hope you will find this video very informative. If you like this video, I will request you to please subscribe my channel and like my video, and don't forget to share with your friends, because this is really very informative video for your friend who is going to start freelancing. Dear friend, give us permission. See you in next video. Tata, bye bye.